Hey everyone, welcome back to the Node.js series. In the last video, we worked with the FS module to read and write files. Today we will take things a little further. We'll create a simple HTTP server with Node.js. So let's get started. So I will just create a new file named HTTP server.js. Then I will take the built-in module named HTTP. Require HTTP, then I'll create the server. So for the server I need to call http dot create server. So there's a request and response. So before response I want to send the header. So this header says that so the header said my status code is 200, which is okay, and my content type is text plain. Then I will send the response hello world from HTTP server, not just HTTP server. So I'll take a listen function, the listen port where my application is running. I also want to console log the link. So this is the server where I created with a response. This is a response. When I call localhost with the port 3000, then it will show this message in a plain text. So let's run this. So I'll be running this by node http server.js. When I click it, it says it's running at localhost 3000. So let's follow this link. Let's open it up here. So hello world from Node.js HTTP servers. I can also change it, test, and then rerun it and reload this, so the test will show up. That's how the HTTP responses work. And that's it. You have just created a simple HTTP server with Node.js. This is a great first step into building web application with Node. In the next video, we will explore how to handle different routes and serve dynamic content. Stay tuned. Thank you.